Welcome to Sabah Homes. Every new day at Sabah Homes begins with hope, and that hope exists because of you. In 2025, more than 926 orphans across Pakistan received safety, education, healthcare, emotional support, and the chance to dream again. From science lab to karate classes, from field trips to personal mentorship, Sabah Homes continues to build confident and capable leaders of tomorrow.
I want to become a doctor one day.
सबसे अच्छी और ख़ास बात इस स्कूल की यहाँ पर ये है कि यहाँ पर जो 90% स्टूडेंट है वो फ्री पढ़ रहे हैं। उनकी फ़ी का, उनके यूनिफॉर्म का और उनकी बुक्स का, हर किस्म का जो भी उनका एक्सपेंस है वो सबा ट्रस्ट लेगा।
At the Sabah Girls' Home, the result speaks volumes. Out of 100 orphan girls, 48 are now enrolled in universities and colleges, pursuing higher education and professional careers. The remaining girls are thriving too, excelling academically, building life skills, and preparing for independent and dignified futures.
I never imagined that I would go to university. You made my dream possible.
Through vocational and digital skills programs, Sabah Homes equips widows and youth with practical tools to earn, grow, and stand independently. In 2025 alone, 1,384 widows were empowered, gaining sustainable livelihoods, restored confidence, and the ability to support their families with dignity.
यहाँ पे ज़्यादा बच्चियाँ जो है ना हाउस वाइफ आती हैं, क्योंकि उनको जो है ना मुश्किल हो रही है घर का किचन वगैरह चलाने में, बच्चों की फीसें वगैरह पूरी करने में। 150 के ऊपर बच्ची जो है ना सीख के जा चुकी है। वो अपने घरों में बाज़ बच्चियाँ बैठ के काम कर रही हैं, बाज़ किसी फैक्ट्री वगैरह में जाके काम कर रही हैं। एक बच्ची ऐसी है जो 45,000 महीने का कमा रही है।
Thank you for your generosity. Thousands never slept hungry. This year, approximately 200,000 hot meals were served, along with ration bags and daily food support for orphans and vulnerable families.
डेली हमें खाना मिलता है और माशाल्लाह ये अच्छा खाना दे रहे हैं। हर चीज़ इनकी सर्विस बहुत अच्छी है, सबा ट्रस्ट वाले, और अल्लाह पाक इनको बहुत दे।
Sabah Home ensures every child receives quality education, healthcare, emotional development, and mentorship, supporting many as they step into renowned colleges and universities with confidence.
मुझे 7 साल सबा होम में हो गए और अब मैं अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ICS फर्स्ट ईयर में हूँ। मैं सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर बनना चाहता हूँ।
Thank you for believing in me.
Through livestock support and income-generating initiatives, widows gained financial stability, self-reliance, and redeemed dignity, transforming households and entire communities.
सबा ट्रस्ट ने गाय दी है। ये गाय मिलने से पहले मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किलात थी, मेरा गुजारा मुश्किल से चल रहा था। तो गाय लेने के बाद दूध से मैं घर का गुजारा चला रही हूँ।
When disaster struck, Safa Homes stood at the front line, delivering immediate relief and supporting long-term recovery for families in crisis. Through provision of mobility aids, thousands regained independence, confidence, and hope. Your support helped orphan girls and deserving women begin their married life with security, dignity, and joy.
मुझे मतलब इस इदारे ने बहुत इम्प्रेस किया है। यहाँ बच्चों की जो देखभाल हो रही है, इनकी जो बुनियादी हुकूक जो इनको अपने घरों पे नहीं मिल सकते थे, वो यहाँ इनको बखूबी और नॉर्मल बच्चों से ज़्यादा अच्छे तरीके से मिलते हैं।
Through Ramadan, winter, and Eid al-Adha initiatives, Sabah Home supported thousands by providing food, clothing, and warmth when it mattered the most. These efforts reflect our commitment to compassion and community care. At Sabah Homes, care does not end with marriage. Our daughters and their families remain part of the Sabah family. Always remembered, always supported. You remain in our prayers today and always.
Ya Allah, bless the people who give us support. Ameen. Give them happiness, health, and success. Ameen. Reward them for every smile they bring to our face. Ameen.
You have supported us hand in hand throughout 2025. With your continued support in 2026 and beyond, we can reach many more who are still waiting. Help Sabah Homes keep the light of hope alive with your continued support.